Johnny, your hopes and dreams are now my hopes and dreams. There is no other I'd rather share life's ups and downs with than you. Your kind heart and family devotion is admirable. I know that with you by my side, we can accomplish anything. I believe that God chose you for me, and I for you.
I never gave up because in the beginning I knew you were special. And I knew from the start that I loved you. We have had good and bad times, laughed and cried. And God knows that the times when we felt like we wanted to give up. But look where we are today, standing face to face here at the wedding altar. I want to do things a little bit differently and actually wrote some vows to the kids. Charisma, I promise to always be here for you, to protect you and to keep you safe. To beat up any boy who tries to break your heart. I will always remind you of how talented, smart, and beautiful you are. Jaden, I promise to raise you like my own son, to treat you with love and respect. I promise to learn every wrestling submission hold so we can be the best tag team partners ever. I promise to always be that father in your life.
You have been there for my children as an example of what a father should be. I give my children to you as your own, to love them, to protect them, and to always have their best interests at heart. I trust you with the two lives that mean the most to me, and I know that you will love them always and be there for them.
Place this ring on Johnny's finger. And please repeat after me. I give you this ring.
I give you this ring
as a pledge of my love.
As a pledge of my love.
And as a symbol of our unity.
and as a symbol of our unity.
Do you take Johnny to be your husband?
I do.
Johnny, do you take her to be your bride?
I do.
Johnny and Rhiannon, based on the authority that's granted to me as a minister of the gospel of Jesus Christ and by the state of Colorado, it is my honor to pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.